Ask a monkey.
Welcome to my show, Ask a Motherfucking Monkey, where I answer all the questions that you could ask a motherfucking monkey. Who's the king of the jungle? Your motherfucking mama's the king of the motherfucking jungle. Next question. What kind of monkey am I? Nigga, I'm a pet motherfucking monkey, nigga. A pet motherfucking monkey. Hell no, I don't eat no motherfucking fish. I eat like fruit and bananas and shit, man. Not no motherfucking fruit. I'm a motherfucking monkey, nigga. Next question. Do I understand you? No, I don't fucking understand you. Next fucking question. Does money grow on trees? No, nigga, money does not grow on motherfucking trees. It grows in my pocket. I'm a motherfucking monkey. A pet motherfucking monkey. Life not short, nigga. You need to get your dick sucked. Next question.
Ask a monkey.